What up, people? I know it's been a minute since y'all seen me on this YouTube right here, right? I'm about to explain why. But anyways, as y'all can see, this is the same chart I had for I don't know how long. Probably like 2 years, and as y'all can see, everything came true. But the reason why I haven't been coming on, because like I said, my last Make It or Break video was almost 3 months ago. We're in the same zone, bro. You see what the end of this line is? Like, look through my older videos for the last, you know what I'm saying, like 2 years. This is the same chart. I didn't change it none. Y'all can see on the very top where I said, we'll see what happens from here. Look at that. Look at the line. And you gotta look to the left. That is the top of the previous high. Let me see what year. Well, back in 2020, at the end of 2021. Like, this is when I first got into crypto and everything. Like this bull market right here. This when I first got into it. Right here, around 2019, I started learning around this area. You know, I started making some bread. But when this happened and all the other coins went up, I did not expect any of that, and I was just in the zone. As y'all can see, there was a steady decline. They can't recover all that in a loop fashion and still going upwards. But anyways, this video right here, it's like something gotta happen. Like, Bitcoin has to do something next month. There's no ifs, ands, and buts about it. You feel me? And as I was saying, basically still waiting for the Black Swan event for them to do what they gotta do, because at the end of the day, they still gonna come recover this. I don't care what nobody say. They still coming down like $5,000 something dollars. You know what I'm saying? 5,500. That's my target. It's gonna be a flash crash, but like I said, it's basically gonna come back in this area right here where we already been at. But it's gonna come down and recover it just like they did right here in this crash right here. That wick right there, that's a flash crash. Anytime you see a crazy wick that goes down and goes right back up, it's a flash crash, and they just came back and recovered all that. And at the very least, if it was to have a crash, like, you know what I'm saying, if it wasn't go down 5,500, it's coming down to like 15,000. But it's gonna be a very quick move. As y'all can see in this big candlestick, this is a monthly chart, you know what I mean? But most likely that came up within probably less than a week, you know what I mean? It'll come drop down, take everybody's stop losses out, take all their bread. It's gonna just happen out of nowhere. And I believe this could possibly happen here, but I mean, we don't know. But like I said, you see this wick right here on the monthly chart. It came down here. So if next month goes up, the chart gonna appear as if it did touch the 20 EMA on the monthly chart, right? That's what it's gonna look like if it continues to go up. But basically, right here, you know what I'm saying, we're still studying the zone. Like I said, on top of the previous high, trying to keep balance. And y'all can see we dropped down, boom. And that's just a monthly chart. You know how I do everything, excuse that. I do everything on the longer term time frames. Like I always show y'all. Just like I knew they was gonna, you know what I'm saying, at some point in time, they was gonna just stall out waiting for the event. But y'all already see how the events are happening. You see what's happening with the presidents, all the elections and all that extra stuff, right? Y'all see what's happening out here. But, you know, I already told y'all beforehand. If y'all don't know, go check out Universal P on all platforms. I talk about it all the time. Anyways, right here on the weekly chart, as y'all can see in the weekly chart, look, it hit the 20 EMA on the weekly chart. Y'all see they came down here with that nice move down, right? It appeared that it's gonna come down and hit that 50, but it didn't. But now it's like it's bouncing up off this on the weekly. So next week, it's gonna have to show us, you know what I'm saying? It gotta show us a hand. This might come all the way up here, like that super pressure, and it's gonna release, and we're gonna get that crazy move up. But I don't believe the move up gonna be too crazy. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be crazy. I'll take that back. It's gonna be a nice little move up, but it has to reset. Especially since it didn't hit the 50 EMA on a weekly. Like, it came so close to it, but didn't hit it. But next week, if next week candle starts down here and start going down, it's definitely coming down to hit the 50 EMA. But it's the point that overall on the weekly, right? Y'all can see this is one hit up, two hits. This is gonna be the third hit. Like, we have to break out, or we have to reset. Because it's going to be a big old head and shoulder formation right here. That's what's going to end up turning out to be on a weekly chart. And I just showed y'all the monthly. Go right back to the monthly so I can see a better picture of it. Well, you can't see a really better picture, but all you can see is up, down, and then going back up. But I mean, it's a good sign that it was trying to reject going all the way down. But you know what I'm saying? Only time could tell, because clearly, who would have known they would have stayed here for what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. On the 6th month, it's about to make a move because it came down. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's showing some kind of signs. It's going to break through that 20 MA on down to that 50, or it's going to continue on up. But this is definitely the third move up. So it got to show its move. And again, I know I said it already, to wait for the Black Swan event. So I'm going to go down to the daily. The daily even looks good itself. As y'all can see, excuse me. Right here we had our previous lows. That's one hit to the bottom, two hits, 3 hits. Excuse me. So the 3 hits, 1 move up, 2 moves up. It's about to be a 3rd move up. And that could actually break through. Because y'all know I love saying market makers love doing things by threes. And y'all can clearly see it. The triple bottom, move up. 1, 2 hits to the high. Well, not to the high, but you know what I'm saying, breaking out, because y'all see broke out the first gap right here, boom. Y'all can see that thing come down, touch it, boom, jump up right down the line. Next one right here, you see the next little line right here where that hammer at, boom. Y'all see you broke through that, come back down, retracement. Now we got to break through here, which is around $72,000, which is the previous high basically. And y'all see 1, 2 moves up already, and this is on the daily. 3rd time's the charm. So on all time frames, at least the high time frames from daily on up, it's showing that we're on our 3rd move up. So we have to break through and basically go on a price discovery mode, and then it's I don't know. Like I said, it's gonna crash, bro. But again, like I said, it's gonna be the Black Swan event. And like I said, we gotta look for this move. And clearly we're seeing it right now, but I'm showing y'all all the signs. Oh, my bad, I went back to the weekly. I meant to go to the 4 hourly, so y'all see a little closer. See, the 4 hourly looks good. Even the 3 who moves to the bottom, look, 1 drop, 2 drops, 3 drops, boom. Going right back up, 1, 2. But 1, there's gonna be 2 around here, boom, come back down, 3, gonna break through, 1, 2, test already to those highs. And that's around 68,400, I'm gonna say. So you're gonna break through that, and then we probably gonna end up right there around the 70,000 range. Like I said, we about to break through everything, and you can clearly see it. So I'm coming down to show y'all, give y'all a little heads up, just in case y'all want to make a little extra bread. Yeah, you know these coins might be on a little lag time. And then we go to hourly chart. Look at that, 1, 2. That thing didn't even come down, boy. And you see that 20 and the 50 crossing right over the 100 EMA. How you got 3 crosses at once, man? So yeah, this thing is about to make some quick moves. You feel me? They was waiting to explode. I knew at some point in time this week they had to do something. I got a feeling they're gonna shoot up and shoot back down. But like I said, they're gonna still test the highs, and I believe they're gonna break through at some point in time. But they're probably gonna break through into the beginning of next month. So right now, they're making a nice move up, but they will drop. It's going to be a quick drop, but not a real drop like I'm talking about a little further down the line. But as of now, we about to have a nice little move up. Because y'all can see it on the hourly. 15 minutes, I mean, y'all see all the crosses, even on a 15-minute chart. You know, it's looking real good for Bitcoin right now, you feel me? So all the altcoins, you know, y'all pick and choose right now, but they all about to make a move up, at least to the previous high that we just had within the 4-hour chart. Because I'm a 4-hour chart type of guy. That's what I'll be looking at when I trade. And of course, I go to smaller time frames, going to hop in and out once you get that volatility in there. But as of now, you know what I'm saying? I love the 4-hour chart. That's what I function, and that's why I always usually start on it. But you know, I started up on higher time frames, so y'all can see why I haven't been on here for a minute, because like I said, they're just stalling out and waiting for an event to have a excuse for the markets to move all kinds of uncontrollable type of manipulation type of stuff, but they could blame it on something. You feel me? And 80% of people gonna believe it. You feel me? Unfortunately, they will, because they all still asleep. But it is what it is. I'm telling y'all, I'm showing y'all proof. I mean, y'all see the chart I have for I don't know how long. Like I said, at least 2 years, and we already see that we're up here at the top, and we're just literally waiting for them to make a move. And like I said, 1, 2, third time's the charm. If it can't break through, this thing is breaking down. Like, it's gonna come all the way down. It's gonna be a fast drop. It'll start right now because it'll be head and shoulder formation. Even though it kind of look like that, you know what I'm saying? 1 low, 2 low, next low. You know what I'm saying? I mean, if it drop below the 50, I mean, it's I mean, that's still already, that's 50,000. You know, I don't even want to say that because by then y'all already know. I hope y'all be panicked and dropped out anyways, but y'all can just continue, you know what I'm saying, ride the wave. I mean, I'm looking at altcoins too. I've been seeing a few of them move in the last few days, even though, you know, the rest of the coins are going down. But that's a sign that they trying to move things, but just moving it silently because they just moving money through all these coins with altcoins. That is. Now there's some real altcoins out there. Don't get me wrong. Now you feel me, but that's up to you to pick and choose. I already told y'all my favorites. It's in the videos. But anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown. Y'all make your own decisions. But like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.